Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to view your bank statements on the Bank of America app in 2025. If you've got a Bank of America account, this feature can help you keep track of your finances, spot any irregularities, and stay organized. Let's jump right in. This whole process should only take a minute or two. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Bank of America app installed on your smartphone. You can download it from the App Store if you're on iOS or the Google Play Store for Android. Once that's sorted, open the app and log in with your username and password. For extra security, you might need to enter a one-time code sent to your phone or email. It's all about keeping your info safe. Now that you're logged in, head to the main dashboard. You'll see a list of your accounts, like checking, savings, or credit cards. Tap on the account you want to view statements for. Next, look for the Statements or History option. It's usually right there in the menu or under a tab labeled Accounts. If you're having trouble finding it, check the search bar at the top and type in Statements. Once you're in the Statements section, you'll see a list of available statements by month or quarter. Select the one you need, and the app will load it up for you. You can view it directly on your screen, zoom in for details, or even download it as a PDF to save or print later. Pro tip: if you notice any errors or have questions, use the app's chat support to connect with a representative right away. And there you have it. Viewing your statements is straightforward and hassle-free. This feature is a game changer for budgeting and tax purposes, especially in 2025 with all the new digital banking updates. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.